Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG. So PCLN double top at the all-time high, got a new all-time high by 7 cents. Insignificant. And we broke to a lower low. So we are looking for some potential healthy consolidation, but this could also be another bull flag for continuation. So the bulls are just fine at this point. And even if we do consolidate, I'm looking at this low of 1935 as a key level. Anything above 1935 keeps the bulls in full control. If we do break 1935, I'm then looking down at 1904 as the next support level. We're still holding exponential moving averages. The bulls are still maintaining control, and we'll see if the whole tech sector just got a bounce. I know PCLN is not in the tech sector, but we have been seeing some correlations between PCLN and the tech sector over the past couple of weeks, which have been interesting. But going to be watching very close for that again tomorrow because Netflix did have earnings and did beat, and we'll see if there is a bullish correlation. Obviously, the market as a whole will likely see some upside with the tech sector seeing strength. So that could help the PCLN bulls as well. But again, anything over 1935, bulls in control on the daily time frame. Weekly upper Bollinger Band resistance, 1965 will be a level to watch if we get up to that point. If we do see continuation, bullish MACD cross is following through, not very convincingly yet, but the bulls overall in a nice spot on PCLN. Just have to be weary that we have seen such a strong move in such a short amount of time, and we might pull back down towards the low 1900s just to establish a new higher low. NVDA on the daily time frame, right on the verge of all-time highs, about $1 shy today. Higher lows and higher highs continues to be the pattern. We have now seen a higher low on the daily time frame 7 days in a row. So as long as that keeps up, the bulls maintain full control, and the low of today is 161.75. So break 161.75, and we'll be looking for further pullback. Next support would be 158.75, the low of the other red day. But bulls are just riding this upper Bollinger Band towards that all-time high. We'll see if the tech sector strength on the back of Netflix earnings gives the bulls some momentum. And again, 167.50 the high of today, 168.50 the all-time high. Very little resistance at this point. Weekly time frame certainly very strong after the bull flag setup and on our way to confirming that bull flag if we do get a new all-time high. Tesla on the daily time frame, rejecting from the exponential resistance as soon as we broke as soon as we broke the inside bar, bearish at 321.22, that was a very clear signal for the bears to run with it to the downside, and we had about an $8 drop from that level. So another inside bar alert signal giving some sweet gains to the downside on the daily time frame. So from here, the bulls are hoping that our higher low has been established right now at 313.45, but until we get over the daily exponential resistance, I am not convinced that that higher low has been established. So we have to close over these exponential resistances or this bounce has no momentum. What I am anticipating to happen is going to be for a higher low and then the bulls to make a move back towards 333.10 resistance. And again, the close over the exponential resistance will be a signal that that is beginning to unfold. Weekly time frame inside bar forming. Obviously a long time to go in this week, but a tight channel between the middle Bollinger Band support at 315.81 and the exponential resistance on the weekly, and those are in the upper 220s. Actually, let's see, they're in the low 330s. So a tightening range on the weekly. Need to see a solid move over 331 if the bulls want to confirm the reversal candlestick on this weekly time frame. And as of right now, that is not looking too good unless we get over the daily exponential resistance. Netflix bull reaction to earnings, and we're up here. All-time highs coming tomorrow. We're up looking at 180 at this point. Huge move to the upside. Considering where we came from, we're seeing about a 2-week move and about a $35 move. So significant gains to the upside. We'll be watching the 20-period 5-minute moving average is our guide on gaps. We'll be watching that tomorrow to see if the bulls can hold on to the strength or if we see some profit taking. Going to be some nice trading opportunity on Netflix, and that 20-period 5-minute moving average is going to dictate which direction we're going to be looking in. So weekly time frame all-time highs, nothing to look at here. Upper Bollinger Band on the resistance, we'll see what level that is when we update tomorrow, but we'll likely start above that weekly upper Bollinger Band resistance as well due to the significant action we're seeing here after hours. CMG, bears still in full control. Lower highs and lower lows continue, although we haven't got that lower low yet. That level is 390.55, still holding. The exponential resistance on the daily time frame is driving the price to the downside for what feels like forever, and if we cannot get over these levels, the bulls are not going anywhere. If we break 390.55, another leg to the downside is coming. I would not touch this name bullish for a bounce until we close over daily exponential resistance. Next support after that 390 level, I'm looking down at 372.87. And in terms of resistance, there is nothing you need to be looking at until we get over the exponential resistance. 401.90 is a close level that also stands out. We're ready for this bullish MACD cross, but the bulls have not proven anything to us on any of these bounce attempts. So I appreciate you watching. We'll continue to check back in. Netflix is going to be very interesting tomorrow to see how the whole tech sector responds. And there will be some trading opportunity there. And we'll check back in tomorrow after the close. See you then.